Welcome to Shorthand Study Classes. Get ready for the transcription at the speed of 90. Start. It is not a problem for the cities alone because about 70 to 80% of the people live in rural areas. Stop. If you tackle the rural unemployment problem, I think you will be able to solve ultimately the problem in the cities also. Stop. Why there is overcrowding in the cities? It is because the people are not getting any jobs in the villages. They are coming to the cities in search of jobs. Stop. That is why there is so much of congestion, housing problem and all sorts of things in the cities. Stop. This is fundamental issue. If we improve the condition of the poor people in the rural areas, then we will be tackling the problem in the cities also. Stop. I am happy to say that our government, the previous government, started to tackle the problem in the rural sector by the new economic program announced by the Honorable Prime Minister. Stop. We have taken this problem very seriously, particularly in respect of land reform. Stop. Sir, that is the greatest problem facing the rural areas. Stop. Some people are owning thousands of acres. Stop. Of course, after the land reforms, the number of acres is reduced. Stop. But still, there are certain problems now. Stop. Some people, in order to avoid this act, distribute land in the name of some people, but actually they are cultivating the entire land as Benami. Stop. This is called Benami. Stop. So that problem is also there. Stop. That is why I urge upon Honorable Law Minister, his predecessor also could not do anything while appreciating the spirit of the bill because it involves rupees 200 crores. Stop. The burden may be more than rupees 200 crores. It may be a few thousand crores of rupees. Stop. With this amount of rupees 200 crores, you will not be able to provide employment to all the people. Stop. This amount will not be sufficient. Stop. The land reforms must be taken up very seriously. Stop. If you tackle this problem, I think you will be able to solve the problem of unemployment to some extent. Stop. The poorer people who are the agricultural laborers, the Harijans and backward people who are the laborers of the landlords should be given the land about 4 or 5 acres each. Stop. After giving this land, if you provide water, electricity and other inputs, then I think they will be able not only to cultivate that land but also raise their income sufficiently. Stop. In that way, we will be solving this problem. Stop. Apart from that, after the land reforms, when they get 4 or 5 acres of land, these poor people can also promote dairy farms, poultry farms and grow all sorts of vegetables also. Stop. For betterment, do practice at least 5 times.